Hello. What I'd like to talk about today is I've got a new C8. Well, it's used. I got it a couple weeks ago, and I didn't get everything I wanted on it, but I got it used because it's the end of March, and as you know, there is none available. So I had to drive down to Tucson to get it. It had everything I wanted with the red interior. Didn't have the high spoiler, which I'm going to get, but it didn't have the appearance package. So what I'm covering today is a DIY appearance package upgrade. So I got online, and I got my red cover, and I also ordered the lights that apparently go up in there, and then there's two covers that go over this side and this side, and they're coming too in the mail. So what I'm going to do is just do it myself, and it's about the same price, maybe even a little bit more, not getting it at the factory, but since I bought it used, didn't have a lot of choice. So let's see what happens. The other stuff's going to come in the mail, so I'm just going to do this now. This came in the mail today, and I'm going to take off that black one and replace it with the red one. Okay, it's my understanding that there's really only 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gives me a chance to use my new little wrench. They're 10 millimeter. One. 2. 3, 4. Obviously don't want to drop these. That'll turn a 10-minute job into an hour job. And then you gotta take off this little clip. Right there. That. Voila. Use the old. Put this little clip. Okay, that little clip is a pain in the butt to get out, but just pushes in there. This is there. That goes on that. Goes in there. Oops. Gotta put those brackets on top of the cover. Some there. Tighten. Voila! Done. Here's the old one, and there's the new one. Not too bad.